I'm Lena from the Williams-Sonoma Test Kitchen. We use the Instant Pot all the time in the TK because it really is so easy to use. Now with the Instant Pot app, it's even easier. Now I found a recipe that I want to cook, and I've added it to my favorites. Let's get started. After you press Start Cooking, it'll tell you exactly what to do. So it says start with low sodium vegetable broth, red potatoes, carrots, for some color, and also a little bit of sweetness. And now I'll add the frozen salmon fillets. Then drizzle with the butter and add some seasoning. And now that we've put everything in the Instant Pot, let's start cooking. This one-pot meal will be ready in no time. That smells amazing. Let's add a little bit more salt and pepper. The carrots are perfectly cooked, potatoes are great, and the salmon is just right. For more about Instant Pots, visit williamssonoma.com.